Hello and welcome in this video for this exercise. This is an integral to calculate integral from negative 4 pi square root of 2 to 4 pi square root of 2 of sin x over 1 plus x to the 4 plus 1 dx. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. So this integral, the first thing to notice that these two limits, this is two opposite numbers, like a, negative a. So this integral, we've got a plus, so we can split in two parts, two integrals. First one, integral from negative 4 pi square root of 2 to 4 pi square root of 2 sin x upon 1 plus x to the 4 dx plus integral from negative 4 pi square root of 2 to 4 pi square root of 2 1 dx. This integral is easy to calculate. Let's focus on this one. So then we are going to focus on the numerator, sin of x. We notice that these two limits are opposite numbers. And we know that sin of x equals negative sin of negative x. So now let's call f of x equals sin of x over 1 plus x to the 4. Then let's calculate f of negative x. This is sin of negative x upon 1 plus negative x to the 4. So we end up with negative sin of x upon 1 plus x to the 4. And then we end up with f of negative x equals negative f of x. So that means this function is an odd function. And we know when we've got an odd function and when these limits are two opposite numbers, integral from negative a to a of f of x dx, if f is an odd function, this is 0. So this part, this is 0. So now we're going to calculate this integral from negative 4 pi square root of 2 to 4 pi square root of 2 of 1 dx. This is x between negative 4 pi square root of 2 and 4 pi square root of 2. This is 4 pi square root of 2 minus negative 4 pi square root of 2. Minus, this is a plus, and 4 plus 4, this is 8. So we end up with 8 pi square root of 2. So this is this final answer. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.